Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. Today I'm using the transfer Nativity Window, and I'm using a technique I'm calling stained glass. First of all, I'm just taking a regular frame, and this one it's a little bit bigger. It's more 9 by 12, so like a certificate frame that you can find. Take the glass, and on the outside I used shimmer shadow, which has a little bit of a sheen to it, to do the transfer. Now it is on glass, which is very non-porous, so as you can see it's really sticking. So before you put the transfer on, fuzz it, which just means put it on your t-shirt or a terry cloth towel to take some of the stickiness off, so you don't stretch the transfer when you pull it off. Now, after it's completely dried, turn it over. And what I'm doing now is coloring in the spaces. And I'm using acrylic paint, but you can use any kind of medium you want. You could use our chalk paste and paint it on, or you could use acrylic paints like I'm doing. The one thing it does do that I noticed with the paints is it's on glass, so it's a little bit streaky. So it took several coats. You just wait till it dries and then put some more on it. And keep flipping it over, and you can see what it's looking like on the other side until you're satisfied with it. It's really easy, and it's very forgiving as long as you don't go over the black line. You're good. I love this technique because it really, anybody can do this. It just takes a little patience because you got to wait for everything to dry. As you can see, I keep flipping it back and forth, see if I need another coat or how it's doing. And I did look on the internet to check out different colors and stuff that they use on this. And there's many. So this is the one I chose. Of course, you can do it any way you want. That's a fun one. And here it is, and it's all done, and I love it. You could do this too. It's really easy. Thanks, everybody.